Now, let's get started by reviewing everything we'll be providing you and how you can use it to successfully run the Fish Don't Clap workshops in your area. Hi, my name is Brad Connors, and as the founder of the Fish Don't Clap program, I want to welcome you today and take a quick minute to tell you why I developed the program for you. Over more than 2 decades of running point as a financial quarterback for my clients, I noticed that too many of them were retiring and finding themselves unhappy, unhealthy, just a few months later. Maybe you've seen the same thing happening among your clients. Though the issue clearly wasn't the financial plans we'd put together, I wanted to figure out what was going on. Because ultimately, I want my clients to be healthy and happy, and I'm sure you do too. So I started asking why. I realized that in all our planning, we had to be so focused on helping them retire from their careers that we weren't addressing what they were retiring to. This led to a lack of purpose after retirement, which then translated into boredom, depression, and feeling of low self-worth. I knew we needed to change our perspective because I wanted my clients to be able to thrive in retirement. Fish Don't Clap is the answer that I discovered. I'm excited to show you how you can begin using it with your clients to help them explore all the exciting possibilities that lay ahead of them for retirement. This program is something that I've used with hundreds of families. It's helping them retire happier, healthier, and having more excitement for the future. I know that it can do the same for your clients too. I look forward to hearing about your success and how this truly will change the future and outcomes for your clients.